This morning, the checkpoints did come to a stop. Airport officials say it was because of a law enforcement investigation, but since then, everything has been moving smoothly.
I like to go to Disney World.
Were you worried about traveling though today? Not at all.
No.
You let your parents worry about it. On this, the busiest day of the holiday season travel period for BWI Airport, a slight hiccup. Screenings at security checkpoints A, B, and C briefly came to a halt. Airport officials say a law enforcement investigation caused the suspension of screenings around 8 this morning. No threats were found and operations began moving again. Airport officials say things have been running smoothly with more than 35,000 passengers departing from the airport today. For some passengers, there were a few frustrations, flight delays, and cancellations.
Chaos. I arrived for my flight that was supposed to depart at 7:15, only to find out that it had been rerouted. Well, LAX had canceled the flight.
So I was concerned. I knew that this was going to be a record-breaking year, so I'm excited that it seems to be doing good here at BWI. So I'm relieved.
We're just excited to get to Disney World and celebrate our first Disney Christmas.
AAA says 2.4 million Marylanders are traveling over the extended holiday, including those taking trains or driving. We asked about gas prices.
Gas prices are good. Prices here in Maryland are trending about 10 cents less than they were this time last year. So that is certainly welcome news to those who will be driving to their holiday destinations.
And we've heard of prices as low as $2.50 a gallon for regular. Reporting from BWI Airport, Barry Sims, WBAL TV, 11 News.
And be sure to download the WBAL TV mobile app to get up-to-the-minute forecasts and travel conditions. Turn on push alerts to get updates sent right to your phone.